Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So, my dear students, today I am here with a new chapter number 4, Wild Animals from your science book. Today we are going to revise this chapter. So, students, in our previous chapter, we had learned about some domestic animals, pet animals, and we also know that how animals help us. Now, we are going to study about wild animals. Animals are living beings and they need food, water, and shelter to live. So, in this chapter, we are going to know about wild animals, what they eat, and where do they live. So, let's start this chapter. See the picture given below. Color all even numbers to get the animal. So my dear students, look at the given picture. Here you have to color all even numbers to get the animal. So students, first of all, you have to know about even numbers. So do you know what are even numbers? If we divide any numbers by 2 and we get 0 as a remainder are called even number, or we can say that all the pairs are called even number. So in this picture you have to color the even numbers like 2, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. You have to color these even number to get the animal. So students, which animal is this? Name the animal you get. This animal is this is the picture of a lion. So here you have to write lion in the given blank. So students, do you know what kind of animal lion is? The lion is a wild animal. Animals that lives in forest are called wild animals. Let's learn about some more wild animals. So students, in this chapter you will learn about wild animals, homes of wild animals, and eating habits of the animals. So let's start the chapter. First of all, you have to know what are wild animals. So animals that lives in forests or jungles are called wild animals. They are not tamed by us because they are very dangerous. Now look at your book. Wild animals. Animals such as tigers, giraffes, elephants, bears, and owls are wild animals. Here, look at the given picture. The picture of owl and tiger is given here. These animals are called wild animals. So, the example of wild animals are tiger, lions, bears, elephants, leopard, etc. Now, let's move on to the next topic, that is homes of wild animals. So, wild animals live in natural shelter. They live on land, trees, and in water. Some animals make their own homes to live in, while some do not. Animals such as deer and giraffe roam in the forest. So, students, in this topic, we are going to know about animals which live on land, trees, and in water. But some animals make their homes own, and while some animals do not make their own homes. Such animals roam in the forest like deer, giraffe. They wander in the forest. They do not make home for them. Now, let's discuss about animals that live on land, tree, water, and holes, etc. So, students, first of all, I am going to tell you about the animals that live on land. So, the example of animals that live on land are lion, Lion, lion. The second example of animals that live on land is deer, Deer, deer. The next one is elephant, Elephant, elephant. Now, the example of animals who live on trees are monkey, birds, squirrels, etc. Now, the example of animals that live in or near water. So, the example of animals that live in water are fish, octopus, and seahorses. Now, the example of animals that lives in ground or holes. Such animals are earthworm, snake, and rabbit. Now, students, some animals live on both land and water. Such type of animals are called amphibians. The example of these type of animals are frog, crocodile, and tortoise. The animals that live in water are also called aquatic animals. So, the example for aquatic animals are fish, octopus, and seahorse. Now, students, look at the given picture. This is a picture of deer. A deer lives on land. The next picture, a crocodile lives both on land and in water. So, crocodile is an amphibian. Now, look at the next one. A mole lives in a hole. Now, let's remember. Circle the wild animals. Also write L for land animals and T for animals that live on trees. Now, students, look at the given picture. This is a short activity related to this topic. Look at the here you have to circle the wild animals and you have to also write L for land animals and T for animals that live on trees. Now look at the first picture. This is a lion. So lion lives on land and lion is a wild animal. So here you have to circle the picture of lion and you have to write L in the given blank that is given below the lion. Now look at the next picture. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a horse. This is not a wild animal. Horse is a domestic animal. So you have to leave this picture. Now let's come to the next picture. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a bear. So do you know bear are which kind of animal? Yes, bear is a wild animal. So you have to circle the picture of bear because bear are wild animals. And here you have to write L in the given blank because bears live on the land. Now look at the next picture. This is an owl. Owl is also an wild animal. So you have to circle the picture of owl and you have to write T on the given blank because owl lives on trees. Now look at the next picture. What is this? This is a cow. And cow is a domestic animal. So you have to leave this picture. Now let's come to the next picture. This is a picture of giraffe. Giraffe has long neck. So giraffe is the wild animal. So here you have to color the picture of you have to circle the picture of giraffe because it is a wild animal and you have to write L in the given blank because giraffe live on land. Now this short activity is completed. I hope you understand about wild animals by the help of this video. So you have to read this chapter and you have to learn the homes of wild animals and the name of wild animals according to their homes they live. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.